Okay, we have one input score, then you have conditions, then you will continue use your programs using do while or while loop. So let's say input, process, and output. Score is double, default value 0.0. Then the condition is 60 or higher or lower, so depends on user input, so scanner. Import Java util scanner. For process, your program ends with input -1. Okay? Otherwise, we'll continue. So we will use while loop. Input, next double. Now you can add conditions. So score equal to -1. Then we say program ends. Else if score greater than or equal to 60, you pass the exam. Else, in this case, score less than 60, you don't pass the exam. Let's start with a higher number than 60, then lower than 60. Now we can terminate the program with a -1. So it actually works. Well, instead of while loop, you can use do while. Let me show you here. Do while. In this case, you have to use semicolon at the end. $90, $20, -1. It works as well. Thank you.